Okay, I just got another update for for Spencer, West Virginia. Another special weather statement that which means again there could be very strong wind gusts, possible tree limbs and power lines falling down tonight and we still have that slight risk of hail chance tonight, I would say, with all of these strong storms coming in. Um, so yeah, definitely a possible chance of a severe weather outbreak with possible tornadoes and heavy hail mixed with gusty winds and heavy winds and heavy rain too. So yeah, we now have another special weather statement in the state of West Virginia, and it is in Spencer, West Virginia, which I'm assuming it's the same thing as the last one. Yeah, another strong thunderstorm. So yeah, guys, I would recommend going down into the basement, like I said earlier, because you never know when this storms like this can change very quickly and definitely form into a tornado. It like it said it like it says it's a very strong thunderstorm impact, and strong thunderstorms are known for sometimes producing a possible tornado. Up and look at that, we have one for Charleston as well. So yeah, as I was saying, I will keep another update for this weather outbreak, this severe weather outbreak, and see what direction it will head in.